Welcome to our another software tutorial presented by .it School. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install Adobe Photoshop CS6. Now, first things, remember that your internet connection will be disable. So, I will disable my internet connection from here. So, click here. So click right button in your mouse from here and click open network and sharing center and go to change the adapter setting, and after this you will select and click your mouse right button, then click disable, and you will see that already your internet connection will be disabled from here. And after this you will go to your software folder, and I have already downloaded my software folder, and I will give you download a link in my video description box. So after download you will go to your software folder, and after this you will click setup and you will click ignore. So after this you will install a trial, so click here. So after this you will select English International, and then you will click accept, and after this you will select English International and then install, and then click yes. So it will need sometimes to complete it, so until complete it you will wait here. So after complete it, then you will click close. So you will go to correct folder, and then I have 64-bit operating system in my PC. So to check your PC operating system, then we'll go to your PC, then select the PC and click right button in your mouse and click properties, and you will see here your operating system. So I have 64-bit operating system, so I will click 64-bit operating system folder. I will copy this file, and after copy this file I will go to C folder and go to program file and go to Adobe and go to Photoshop CS6 64-bit operating system. So after this I will paste here and I will replace the file and continue. So after this I will go to program file 6 and then click Adobe and then click Adobe CS6, and after this I will paste here and continue. And I have already completed my all step for install my Photoshop CS6, and after this then I will go to my start menu and select my Photoshop CS6 64-bit operating system icon and then click here. So I have already completed my all step for installing Photoshop CS6. So in my video description box I will give you a download link. So thank you for watching this video.